How to use AI without losing your personal touch. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a hot topic these days, and for good reason. It's transforming how we work, communicate, and even think. But with so much technology around us, how do we ensure that we retain our personal touch? Don't worry, this guide is here to help you navigate the world of AI while keeping your unique flair intact. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Understanding AI, what is it? Before diving into the practical uses of AI, let's break down what it is. At its core, AI refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and even language understanding. Think of AI as a smart assistant that can help you with various tasks, from answering questions to automating mundane chores. AI can be found in many of the tools we use daily. For example, when you ask your smartphone to set a reminder or use a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa, you're tapping into AI technology. These systems learn from your interactions, becoming more tailored to your preferences over time. Did you know that AI can help you with language translation? Tools like Google Translate use AI to provide real-time translations, making it easier to communicate across different languages. How AI can enhance your daily life. AI can be a powerful tool that enhances your daily life and work. Here are some ways to use AI while still maintaining your personal touch. 1. Personal assistance. Imagine having a digital assistant that helps you manage your schedule, send reminders, and even draft emails. Tools like Google Assistant and Apple Siri can help you stay organized. You can ask them to remind you of important dates or even provide weather updates. To ensure you still have a personal touch, make sure to customize your assistant settings. For instance, you can personalize your reminders with specific phrases or choose preferred news sources for daily updates. 2. Creative inspiration. AI tools can help spark your creativity. For writers, platforms like Grammarly use AI to enhance writing by suggesting improvements and checking grammar. Artists can use AI-generated art tools to explore new styles and techniques. However, while these tools provide suggestions and inspiration, the final piece should always reflect your unique voice and style. Use AI as a guide, but let your creativity shine through. If you're a student, consider using AI-powered tutoring platforms like Khan Academy. They can offer personalized learning experiences based on your strengths and areas for improvement. Maintaining your personal touch. Tips for success. Using AI is all about balance. Here are some tips to ensure you harness its power without losing your individuality. Communications and media studies. 1. Customize your tools. Most AI tools allow for personalization. Spend some time exploring the settings and features. For example, if you're using a music recommendation service like Spotify, take the time to create your playlist and curate your listening experience. The AI will learn from your preferences, but your unique selections will keep it personal. 2. Engage with the AI. AI works best when you're actively engaged with it. For instance, when using a chatbot for customer service, provide clear and specific information. This helps the AI understand your needs better and tailor responses that feel more personal. Engineering and technology. 3. Use AI for repetitive tasks. Are there tasks that take up too much of your time? Consider using AI to automate them. This could be anything from scheduling social media posts to setting up email campaigns. By automating repetitive tasks, you'll have more time to focus on creative and personal interactions. The future of AI, opportunities and challenges. As AI continues to evolve, it presents both opportunities and challenges. On one hand, it can make life easier and more efficient. On the other, there are concerns about privacy, job displacement, and the potential for bias in AI systems. Remaining aware of these challenges is crucial. Advocate for ethical AI practices and choose tools that prioritize user privacy and inclusivity. By doing so, you can enjoy the benefits of AI while contributing to a better future. Did you know that many businesses are now using AI for customer service? Chatbots can handle inquiries 24/7, allowing human agents to focus on more complex issues. This enhances efficiency while maintaining a personal touch. Finding balance, the human element. At the end of the day, the most important element in any interaction is the human touch. While AI can assist you in various tasks, it's your personality, creativity, and empathy that will make the difference. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. When using AI, remember to infuse your own style and voice. Whether it's in your writing, art, or communication, let your individuality shine through. Use AI to enhance your skills, but don't let it define them. 1. Share your story. Don't hesitate to share your experiences with AI. Whether it's a blog post, a social media update, or a conversation with friends, your unique insights and stories can help others navigate this fascinating landscape. Educational resources. 2. Stay curious. With the rapid advancements in AI technology, there's always something new to learn. Stay curious and explore new tools that can enhance your daily life. Experiment with different applications and discover what works best for you. Conclusion: embrace the future with AI. AI is here to stay, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. By understanding its capabilities and limitations, you can harness its power to improve your life while retaining your personal touch. Embrace AI as a tool, not a replacement. With the right approach, you can enjoy the benefits of technology without sacrificing your individuality. So go ahead, explore, create, and let your unique voice shine in this exciting new world of AI. Now that you have the insights and tools to navigate AI, it's time to take action. Dive into the world of AI and discover how it can enhance your daily life, all while keeping your personal touch intact.